Cabinet Minister and senior BJP legislator A.L. Haq yesterday said that he will take up the present law and order situation in the state during the MDA meeting. The question has been raised on the law and order issue, particularly the crime against women and children in the state. Expressing concern over the present law and order, particularly after the two rape cases both in Southwest Garo Hills and East Khasi Hills, he said any government at any cost have to uphold the law. He said every citizen is equal to the government. The minister also said anybody involved in crime should not be spared. The minister expressed deep concern over the recent incident of gang rape of 3 girls, including a minor, on April 16 at Chenga Benga village in Southwest Garo Hills district, and the gang rape of a 26-year-old vlogger in Shillong.
I'm really vocal from the day one regarding the law and order. Any government who are in the helms of the power, at any cost, they have to uphold the law. The law means the justice to every citizen who are the residents of our state of Meghalaya. That's what I told them beginning also. We have to uphold the law. At any cost, we have to uphold the law. Every citizens are equal to the government.
The Hinyo Trap Youth Council HYC today